sorrel growing up almost everywhere this spring. And they're the little shamrock-looking flowers. The flowers here are edible. They do have oxalic acid, so you have to cook them down. But I am collecting honorable harvest today, so I'm gonna leave some for the animals because I know our little bunnies like to eat these too sometimes. But I'm gonna try and get about a cup. And here they are in here. I rarely see any kind of insects in these, but it's a good idea to bring some. Because today's project is a pudding, I'm going to put about a cup. I'm actually going to work on, I've always wanted to do a lemon meringue pie with sorrel, so this is what I'm hoping to do today. So I'm just putting the sorrel in a little bit of water so it can cook down. It sticks to the thing here. We'll get all of that out and then cook it down. Using the really small burner. We're going to bring them up to a simmer and then put them in the food processor to chop up the rest of the way and leave them in the water for a few hours. As it gets warmer. I hate it when I spill down in here. Then they get crispy and I have to clean it up. Okay, there we go. Boil down and let it sit in that nice water for like an hour, I would think. So once it's boiled down, I put it in the food processor. Follow a recipe for lemon meringue pie, and instead of putting the lemon juice in, strain this into the hot pudding mixture. Pie crust is in the oven cooking, and once that's done, then I'll put the hot lemon in it and then let it cool. Egg yolks that were separated into here. But follow a recipe for lemon meringue pie, and instead of the water that you use in the pudding, use the sorrel water, then spin it up in your food processor, sift that out through this for the lemon juice, for the really strong lemon juice, and I usually mine takes like 7 teaspoons or tablespoons of lemon juice, and that's about what you get out of a little pot like this with the herbs. And I've got another one that I'm going to do some lemon drops with, so, but it's really tasty. So once the pudding, again, regular lemon pie, the pie crust is cooked. I always put it in hot because I don't know. The pie crust is hot, this is hot. Does it matter? Probably not. Okay, go ahead and put it in, and then this goes in the fridge until it's nice and cold. And then use a recipe for meringue. I've got the egg whites saved in the fridge, and I'll just whip those up, put a little bit of sugar in them. Regular recipe works great. But you can see how it comes out still yellow even though the sorrel leaves were kind of just green, the egg yolks in here create a regular looking. Very nice. Stays together. Oh wow, what? Okay. Wheel of Fortune's coming on. Swirl meringue pie.